We eating Chick-fil-A.
I'm D'Angelo.
That's my best friend, y'all. So this is first time eating Chick-fil-A. Y'all probably can't really hear us because we at the mall.
Yeah, it's
But
pretty loud up in here, so I'm about
it
to try
might,
this.
yeah, like this is the first time. So I'm starving. So every time y'all catch me in my work clothes, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm about to try this. See what she's talking about. I'm gonna try this sauce,
I
cause
got me some fruit punch
oh yeah, I got my
in the
little fruit
water.
punch too.
In the water. I got my Polynesian sauce.
Yeah, she said she's good, so I'm going to try this too. I'm gonna try it with the fries.
What y'all guys doing? What y'all guys eating?
Hey, I can't even get this up.
Open it.
My nails.
Normally I pour mine on my burger, or I did my fries in it. Either way, it's good on all.
Right. I'm gonna just try the different ones.
Good,
See.
y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh.
And
Nice.
it's okay. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification.
Damn.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Mm. Mm.
I told you Chick-fil-A was good.
Mm. Okay. Let me put this on the
It's good on Chick-fil-A.
chicken sandwich. Boy, this sauce so red, like
It's good, ain't it?
yes.
My kids are at home with my mom. Yes, y'all will see them soon. But they would just be in their own little world. They
I
not
gotta
kind
come
of,
here.
yeah, we do. They not really used to like doing these videos and stuff, but they gonna get used to it. Y'all gonna see me a little bit more often. And we're not just gonna eat on here, and I already told y'all that, but we're eating again.
Oh yeah.
Hope y'all can hear me.
I hope y'all can hear me as well.
You hear my last video, right?
Huh?
I said, can you hear my last video?
Yeah.
That's that bad Keystone. We don't got no good.
Right. Mm. Mm-mm-mm.
Good.
This is so good.
Mm-hmm.
First time taking Chick-fil-A
It's
ever.
good, ain't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna try something different. Mm. Excuse me, I'm eating on here. So
No, it's good. No, you can eat on the YouTube,
um,
but I'm back in the work clothes. Always be at work,
right.
so that's why I barely post. Cause I be so tired. But you gotta show some love.
Mm-hmm. You want to ask me nothing?
Yeah,
I'm messing up the table.
you good. No, no, don't wipe the table or wipe your hands. They got the table. I mean, I ain't saying I make a big, but just use that for your fingers, not for wiping the table off. You gotta use that napkin too to wipe your hands. But anyway,
I'm just trying to slap
today we went to Macy's and got us some. I got some perfume. He got some cologne. I got my favorite perfume. It's
Yeah.
called Alien. I love that.
I had to give her some feeling. She wanted it, so
Huh?
it was on me. And I got my little cologne, YSL. I'm saying it right away I came in here, 'cause you know I want the YSL.
We were hungry, y'all, so let's let us eat for like a couple minutes.
Trying to get the breakfast stuff.
This sauce good. In it.
Yeah,
Mm.
this is good sauce though. I might want to save these sauces later.
Say,
Take it home.
Which one? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Told you.
They good.
You gonna love Jersey Mike's then.
Oh yeah. And I never had that either though. First time doing that. Barbecue
No,
sauce?
we in the loud now, so
Yeah.
I can hear me.
Yeah, I like the small.
Once I get me a microphone, all that good stuff.
You know, microphone.
Things so good. You gonna smack your mama?
Come here, mama. Put back on. Oh, man.
I ain't smacking mine.
I'm gonna slap my mama. But no.
She gonna get you.
My mama will slap the silly.
I know.
She'll slap the back off and y'all try that. Like, no. Be like, Friday after that. Like, come here, mama. Barbecue.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
when I say, it's just too good. I'm sorry, y'all.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, man. Well, we always got each other's back. Don't matter what.
Right. Really, my boy best friend. And people
Understand like how
People
real
do,
friends.
yeah, people say that boys and girls can be best friends. Yes, they can. As long as you don't cross that boundary.
Right. Yeah, that's good.
So, my hair is tied up in a scarf, but it's done. I just,
Yeah.
yours is real good, dude. I know you like it. It's fresh.
Oh yeah.
This
Yours is
is-
good too, man. You got good.
Yeah, mine's good.
What kind you got?
No, I just got the regular crispy chicken sandwich
Oh, okay.
without no lettuce and tomatoes. They even put cheese on it.
And you put cheese on it.
I should put my phone on Do Not Disturb.
Right. Should put it on that airplane mode. It will disturb you, know. Airplane mode, and then you put it on record. I'm making a real mess.
What? Are you okay?
On their table. I'm trying to make a mess.
You okay? Look at me, I'm making this. But, I'm gonna be stuffed from here.
Good.
That's what we talked about?
Yep.
I mean,
Also good on my burger too and salmon too.
huh?
Tastes good on here.
Girl, I had a long day, as usual.
Long day at work.
It's so good. You can't, excuse me. It's gonna be ASMR, whatever they call it, because I can't talk right now.
Right.
I'm trying to see, was there any new movies that came out? I mean, okay, so how was the Freddy vs. Jason?
Oh, that's good.
I mean, not Freddy vs. Jason, but the Michael Myers.
Oh, the macaroni. Oh, that's good.
Was it good?
I saw that when I went on a date with her. pretty good. We went to the movies.
No.
And Malcolm X is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's on Peacock only actually.
They use so much fries.
Mm-hmm. The sauce is good.
I told you.
And the waffle fries taste so good.
This is the first time he's eating this.
First time. I know you come here a lot.
Which I wasn't with the bigger bottle, but this is the spray I get.
I didn't get the bigger bottle. It's 120.
Yeah. Yeah. This is it.
Oh,
But the bigger bottle that I wanted was 200.
yeah.
And that's my spray.
I know you love that perfume. Hey, let me get my presents that perfume.
For all the women, go get some.
Oh, you can.
Go to Macy's to get it. It's called Alien. Oh my God.
My YSL smells so good.
Yeah, 'cause you got YSL.
Yes. That's the ladies gonna get me. Now, there, you love that YSL.
I love me smell good, so. Pandora, it smell good.
Gora.
I ain't really doing too much for like Thanksgiving, too much. I don't know. Christmas, I don't know. Just holidays don't feel like holidays no more. I mean, holidays is still holidays, but it just don't feel like it. Like right now.
Right. I'm still give my family and friends something, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna give, you know.
I'm gonna always, you know, give something for my friends. We all be different, so you know.
All right.
Around 2022, it'll be 1 year friendship. These fries good.
I know you can't be surprised.
Fries up.
You like that Polynesian sauce, huh?
I need a sauce.
You can buy it at Walmart or whatever. Myers.
Right.
Yeah, you can buy that sauce at Myers.
I definitely need a sauce.
I really don't have too much to really talk about. It's so loud in here.
Yeah, it is kind of loud in here too.
I like the echo.
Yeah. Plus we are back cleaning in the back around.
Right.
Money up for cleaning. Punch good too.
It's good. Oh my God.
That's the best punch I ever had.
Real?
Cold.
This is so good.
Yes.
You can probably do some food challenges. What do you mean? I don't know.
Yep. I can see me on YouTube right over.
Oh yeah, you eat. Oh, you eat. Yeah, look, I gotta
This is
quit.
my special food time on your YouTube channel.
So, like I told y'all before in a couple of other videos, my upcoming channel. You know,
Like and subscribe, y'all.
I hope y'all like it.
Or, you know,
There's gonna be more stuff. I'm gonna bring so much stuff to the table. Oh, damn, I wasted mine. Let's see. So I the barbecue sauce taste? How the barbecue sauce taste?
Good. It definitely tastes good.
I'm so mad because I dropped my neck. I got one right here. But I'm not gonna hold y'all for too long.
No, my shirt.
For real.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it.
No, you put your trash in there.
Chick-fil-A.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take these with me. And this sauce. The sauce is good. I come here and get some more of these foods. You know? I am a foodie person. I love food.
Me too.
Whether I don't eat all day, but I love food now. I'm a foodie person.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
You can tell me something about yourself in one show.
Huh?
You can tell me something about yourself in one show.
Oh, yeah. This is me. I'm D'Angelo, her best friend. First time on her YouTube channel. I'm on here. We've been friends for how many years?
I mean, like, it'll be a year.
What year?
What? Yeah. A year and a couple months.
Yeah, a year, a couple months. You know.
More like 13 months.
Yeah. When I first met you, I was like, you was pretty cool. Like, you pretty cool, down to earth. That's
I
it.
know we clicked.
Right off.
Yeah, we clicked. It was all cool.
Yes. I don't have that much many friends like that. So
Me either.
I don't try to be around any friends like that.
I don't deal with nobody.
To the right. To be honest, you know.
I know. Yep, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification so you know when I upload a video. I'm not going to eat the rest of this over here because I'm going to take all that. Alright, see y'all in the next video.
Bye.